Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set auto lock time in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can set display and brightness. Press on this. From here, you'll find Screen Timeout. In this option, you can set your lock time as you want. That's it. So this is how to set auto lock time in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.